Hello guys, it is Maddie, and today we are going to be playing Granny, and yeah, you guys can see the screen and everything, so yeah, we're going to be playing Granny. I played this game before. I am horrible at it, but I'm also not that bad at it because my friend at school played it, and I mean, I don't know, I think I'm better than them. I've never seen them play before though, so yeah. Okay, so I'm going to read you guys the tips. Be quiet, she hears everything. Keep in mind that if you drop objects on the floor, it creates sound. Press and hold the remove button, and free yourself from bear traps. Hold and remove button. Well, I don't know how to do that. Hide under beds or in cabinets. You have 5 days. Use headphones for best experience. Get out of there. You only have 5 days. All you need is in the house and be quiet. She hears everything and Granny is crazy. Good luck. Yeah, this game creepy and freaky. But yeah, I'm not that good at it. See, it like takes forever to load though, and I have to keep like tapping it because I have the effects on and everything, which I've never had this with effects on. I mean like sound on, so I'm like dead, sort of. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna go hide under the bed. Oh my gosh. She's right there. See, look, she's creepy. I'm going to like move around so you guys can.
You want to play hide and seek?
I've never heard her voice. I don't know. I'm gonna try to. Okay, so I've played this before, and I know how to get downstairs. Bro, you don't freaking look in the cabinet or nothing. She's idiotic. I'm horrible at this game.
I see you.
You sure? I knew that was gonna happen, and I did that because I'm weird. Yeah. Day 2. It's day 2, and I'm going to go hide in the cabinet now and hide. I wanted to show you guys something though, because over here it says 5 days. Yeah, but on day 2, she like locks the door or something, so I have to come have her like open the door, come look for me and everything, and then she opens it. Okay, she's right there. If you guys can't freaking creepy. I don't know who would make this game, but I freaking love it too. It's weird. Hey, but I'm weird. But yeah, I'm not gonna use like show my face or nothing because I don't want to do that. Because I look like crap half the time. Please go downstairs, Grana. Please turn the other way. Oh, frick. Bed. Fudge. Oh my gosh. Yeah, but the other things I've used to record and everything, they cut out like halfway through, and I'm like, you kidding me? Because I've like made some good videos before, I think. I don't know. Please go downstairs. Oh, she put a bear trap. Are you kidding me? So as you guys can see, I'm not that good at this game. Yeah. So, no, I can't do better. I'm sorry, ads, you know. I'm weird, You know I'm weird. You're probably gonna be like, no. So, day 3. Crap. Okay, so, I think I know what I'm going to do. I'm gonna go just hide in the cabinet. Because that's the easiest thing. Okay. We're all settled in. We're in the closet. Don't go that way, please. Granny, she's evil. I'm afraid to open it, though. Okay. Move. So, this is the way that you go down here and everything. And yeah, I know you can open the cabinets. I just don't do that because, you know. And then I'm pretty sure this is where she takes you. This is where she takes you. She's coming upstairs, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so freaking scared. I'm like, I don't know. This game, it like gives you jump scares and everything. It's not like a game to watch at night. Jesus. Please. Continue going, please. Are you kidding me? Oh crap. So, yeah. Day 4. I'm gonna try a different approach because there's another way to get in there, and you like go actually downstairs, like down the stairs in the house. Crap. Okay. You go like down the stairs in the house. So actually downstairs, like, you know how she goes that way? Like, I want her to go that way because then she goes in there and everything, and I go downstairs, and there's like a way to get down, actually, like downstairs there.
Where are you?
Right here, you idiot. Okay, well, this was a way, but I guess it's not anymore. Day 5. Guys, crap, day 5. Okay, I'm horrible at this game, and I realize this video is gonna be freaking pretty short, but you know, yeah. So okay, I'm just going to freaking trying to MacGyver my way out. I don't know what that means, but I mean, I know what MacGyver is and everything. I'm just gonna try to freaking, like, sneak my way out. Hey, Granny, don't look at me, please. Okay? Okay. I think I know this. Please go to your creepy way upstairs. I can fucking. No. Please stop, like, midway and be like, I might just go. Oh, guys. I'm gonna just stand up.
Where are you?
I'm not gonna tell you. My phone, like, glitched out for a second. I was like, oh, please don't. I'm horrible at this. Like, I'm not kidding. She's freaking creepy. Go. I'm just gonna make a run for it, guys. Okay, guys, so now we're gonna see what happens on day 5. We're gonna see what happens on day 5. I'm freaking scared, sort of. Oh no. Hey. Okay, I did not know that was gonna happen.